Well, good Saturday morning to y'all. It is the 30th of May. It is race day. Just got to Daryn's. Went to unload the car Tuesday for wash night. This tire was flat and debeaded. So we got 6 new tires on the trailer this week. The other 2 were new last year. They're still good. They checked them all out. So avoided another catastrophe on the road there. It's about 11 o'clock. Everybody should be here shortly. We're going to get loaded up and head to Red Hill. Well, we made it to Red Hill. It is 5:15. I count 14 cars here so far. Don't know that we will get too many more. Definitely got some good ones here. We'll see what happens here in a little bit. Had a good car here last year with the 1.2 and had a flat tire. Ended up 12th coming from the back, but see what the old junkyard dog's got this year. She's been taking a beating. Cars here tonight. We will be the 12th car to roll out in qualifying. Then follow that up by 2 heat races. About standard for the number of cars that got here. So we'll see what happens. Hot laps will be coming up shortly. Over here. Make sure you get it in his face.
No, that's what Doug always does. That night your dad just fucking falls you in there. I love it. Everybody loves Doug. Everybody loves Doug. Everybody loves Doug. We just put up with his son. Is that what you're saying?
changing jets on the carburetor. We qualified 6th under the track record set last year, and that will put us starting second row inside of the second heat race.
Then it's covered.
Bodies by bump. Got in the wall a little bit. You'll have that, these big joints. Making wholesale changes here, trying to see if we can get this thing better. She got a little warm in the heat race. I don't think there's going to be a corner to be the same on this thing for the feature. Well, he didn't like it. He tried something and said, that's no good in the slick. So we were supposed to start 12th. Tanner English had a flat tire on the pace lap. So that put us starting 10th. Finished 17th.
Tried something and put that in the book of don't do again when it's slick.
Fager won. We had it on the TV back here. Smile, you're on camera.
Telling Jason how we watch film.
You want to pack our pit box up too when you're done?
No.
Well, good Sunday morning to you. It's 11:15. We got everything unloaded. We're gonna get her stripped down and washed this morning. Start the weekly grind early. Well, it's noon, a little after. She's all cleaned up. Gonna do the tires. Been neglecting the mud covers, so we're gonna wash all them. Doug's gonna get her blowed off, and we'll get her back in the barn. That red dirt sure makes a mess. We're in the land of the black dirt. Not too many red dirt tracks around here. Red Hill and Farmington is about it. Now she's up in the air, dried off, ready to be maintenanced. Been a long day. It's 1:30. The plan was to go to Davenport and I-34 next weekend with MLRA. That's up in the air right now. They want to go through the car real good, put it on the scales, build some new Dottie panels because Summer National starts next week.
Yeah, they got it.
Trailer's cleaned out.
We need to put this back in the hauler before I lose this.
Yeah.
So you get start money?
Yeah.
I haven't seen that's all we got.
That's going to do it for this one. I'll keep you updated on next week. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. We'll catch y'all in the next one.